yeah.
Hello. So what we do now? Put finger? Yeah? No. This one.
You want to finger my bike? What?
Maybe.
Alright. So today we are going to be replacing the springs on this here motor. On this here head. Carburetor. Shout out to Nibby. Hopefully they sponsor me one day.
Maybe.
Nibby Racing. Please sponsor me. None. Our beautiful black Venom rockers right there. 1.3 ratio. So we're just going to be changing these green springs for the white springs that I had before.
The green one for the white one. What you got against green springs, bro?
Nothing. They're just.
They're too green for you?
They just can't.
What do you got against green people?
They just can't handle the amount of lift I need.
Oh, you need that Brazilian butt lift.
But yeah, we plugged up this oil gallery here.
Oh, there? Yeah.
Plugged it up, so we ain't got to worry about it anymore. And same with the head too. So the bottom end won't be starving for any oil at high RPM. Not at low RPM, at high RPM. It'll starve for oil somehow. I used to use these head gaskets before. And as you can see, they block off the oil galley. And these ones do not. But they are both for 2.8. But this costs $25. Don't get me wrong, it's a good gasket. But I just plugged up the hole and used a different gasket. Still firing. But, you know, much cheaper for a whole 3-pack. Was not even the price of one of those Cometic gaskets. I mean, don't get me wrong, like I said, good gaskets.
Yeah, too many gaskets.
Good gaskets, but, you know, just a little expensive. So now I'm just gonna put something under so that my valves won't go down. Put that under it. Got our spring tool here. One side is for putting it in. The other side is a magnetic. So that you can get those keepers out. Go over there. And voila, 2 keepers. This makes things a lot easier. One, 2. And take the spring out. Get our titanium retainer off. That over there. That over there. Just gotta do that one more time now. Easy as 1, 2, 3.
So what you do?
Pop the retainer on a spring, grab your keepers, there you go, it's prepped, and come back to the head, place it right on top for now. Grab our other one, same thing.
Hey, yeah, I can't focus. Nice.
Got them two ready. Just pop it in here. Just have them pressed in a little bit. I don't always get this the first try, so we'll see if I get this first try or not. Now we got our other side where we're gonna press in the keepers. Just gonna press in really hard. And there you go.
Nice, nice.
First try. Do the other one now. Oh, no way, I got both of them first try. That's a good day. That's a good day right there. And that's replacing valve springs. Looking good. Grab my freaking handy dandy drain plug from home. Alright, now this head can go back on my beautiful 2.8 here. I got a head stud kit, so I torque it down to 20. Just double check now. Alright. I got a spacer on mine because I got to lift my rockers. Just simply lift these push rods into place. Just like that. I like to torque these down to 12 foot-pounds as well. 12. I just realized I forgot to check before I popped it. And at the end, I like to torque these down to 8 foot-pounds. Okay. Now the other side. That's a nice lift. Got that 500, see? 500. Oh, it's actually a little bit more than 500.